I'm Laura McMann. Welcome back to another exciting school year. Well, fall is here and we have a very fun, festive fall dish for you to try. We're going to start with everyone's favorite, some crispy tater tots. And we have some creamy cheddar cheese sauce. Everybody's favorite, some beef taco meat. Some freshly shredded romaine lettuce. A homemade pico de gallo with fresh tomatoes, red onions, some jalapeno, a little lime juice, cilantro, and garlic. Our whole grain tortilla chips, some pickled jalapeno, and for an added bonus this year, we are going to offer some a la carte options so you can pair your meal with a churro for an additional charge a la carte. So we're going to build the dish for you. This is a dish you can make at home with your kids. It's really fun. It's a great little football snack. We're going to start off with our tots. Get a half a cup of tots in there. Put them in the base of your bowl. Nice scoop of taco meat. I'm just going to build this up. And then of course we need our cheese. Drizzle that all over. Make sure you cover all your tots and your meat. And then we want to finish it with some lettuce. Our fresh homemade pico de gallo. And we want to top that with some of our jalapenos. There you have it. It's very simple, fresh, delicious. The kids love tater tots. They love tacos, they love nachos, so we put it together all in one bowl. And we pair this dish with some tortilla chips so you can dip along the way. Enjoy!